This is fresh eucalyptus shower steamers. They're like bath bombs for your shower. This one has a nice eucalyptus scent. We recently went to a spa where we went to a steam room that had eucalyptus scent in it, and I absolutely loved it. It was great for my sinuses. These bath bombs or shower steamers have 15 in a package. They're all individually wrapped, so you don't have to worry about moisture or anything getting to them. They're very easy to open up. And all you're going to do is put that tablet in your shower away from the direct stream of water. It immediately starts to moisten and it starts to bubble and emit the eucalyptus scent. Now the scent is lovely. It's not super strong. The spa we went to, the scent was so strong that it made our eyes water. This isn't so. It has a really nice, lovely scent to it. This is a perfect thing to add to your shower if you're feeling a little bit congested or even just kind of want a pick-me-up from the scent.